Closing a repair order quick start guide. This video is meant as a quick review of how to close a repair order and accept a customer payment in MaxxTraxx. For more in-depth information about the repair order process, please see our video series, Service Writing Basics. The first thing you should do prior to completing the repair order is review it. Open the repair order and check the labor and parts charges, technician flags, and any other important items. When you have finished checking the repair order, click on the OK button to select one of the options to complete, complete and print, or pay and print. The pay and print option will take you straight to the cash drawer screen. For this video, we will simply mark the repair order as complete. If any action items such as inputting mileage, assigning a technician to a labor, or others need to be completed, you will see a warning window pop up. Rectify the items, then go back to the OK button and complete the repair order. You will see a confirmation window advising you that further modifications to the repair order will be prohibited. Click Yes to continue. Alternatively, you can change the repair order status in the editing tile from the Schedule, Status Workflow, or Tech Workflow screens. When the customer arrives to pay for the repair order, go to the Quick Picks drop-down and select the Cash Drawer button. At the Cash Drawer window, verify that Pay Completed Repair Order is selected, then click Next. Select the customer and click Next again. At the Cash Drawer window, select the method of payment from the drop-down list. If your shop has integrated credit card processing and the customer is paying by card, just click the card payment line and then Apply Payment and follow the prompts on the terminal. For non-integrated shops and other forms of payment, select the method and click the Apply Payment button. Click the Finish button to complete the transaction. When the print window opens, select the number of copies to print and any other options you desire. For more detailed information about paying a repair order, including what to do if a mistake was made, please see our video titled Paying a Completed Repair Order. We hope you found the preceding video helpful. MaxxTraxx team members are readily available to provide personal assistance via several methods as shown here, Monday through Friday, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. Pacific Time. Thank you for watching.